I say close the windows.
Oh.
1 day and a half.
This one day?
Actually, not even.
Tomorrow.
What time is right now? Let me see what time is it.
It's 4.
3:30, 4 o'clock. All right, you guys have this Urus that came in completely stock, non-wide body, as you guys can see now. So we have the wide body kit on this thing. Besides the wide body kit, one of the unique things about this car is it is a beautiful green color. Reminds you about Christmas, right? So we're almost Christmas, a couple of days away actually. So awesome. We have the 1016 kit on here. It looks insane. This green color looks really, really unique with this kit. So it looks really good. You got all the carbon pieces showing. It's very, very nice and exposed. You know, the carbon shows really, really well on this color as well. So also we got these beautiful wheels on, and the wheels have custom painted center caps, which is a very nice green to match the brake calipers. As you guys can see, it looks really, really good. Let's go to the back. Let's show you guys the back a little bit. So continue in the back, you know, like the 1016 wide body kit you guys are used to seeing, but on this car, I think it hits a little bit different because it's a nice green. Really cool color. So we have carbon everywhere as well. We have the Lamborghini logo, same color as the calipers and the center caps as well, to make it pop, give it that pop thing that you guys love to see on these cars. So this car looks much wider because the color is just hits different. I don't know, big fan of this color, looks good. Another 1016 wide body kit completely done in a day and a half. So there you have it. A lot of hard work from our staff. Very, very happy. Enjoy this 1016 build.
All right, here we have another Urus Perf, wide-bodied, about 3 days. Tow truck's outside already waiting. That's how we do it. We get the cars done, and customers are super happy receiving their cars in a very quick manner, and the quality top-notch, paint match perfect. That hood is aftermarket, and it looks like it's OEM. This is a beautiful gray color, as you can see. You got the carbon fiber front lip on the bottom. You got the whole 1016 hood, carbon, the wide body flares, the RDB signature 24-inch wheels. The brakes making noise because it just got washed. Now look at this thing.
All right, you guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Rolls-Royce Wraith here. This Wraith is in here for a very, very non-common thing. So these kind of stuff don't usually happen, but sometimes they do. So in this situation, this car has a power steering problem. The steering is very, very hard. You can't even steer this thing, super hard. Now the issue is, it's not anything to do with power steering related, nothing to do with that. The problem is, we had some rat damage in here. Let's show you guys. All the little stuff, all the rats hung out. They had a good time over there. They had a little party. And then they came in and they chewed some of the stuff here, as you guys can see. And then they chewed some of the stuff in the back that you guys can't see. So yeah, you know, they like to get into warm places. So we're gonna have to take everything apart, see how much damage they did. It's not good because we don't know how bad the damage is. So usually stuff like this, there's a lot of problems, you know, harnesses and wires and stuff like that. So hopefully it's not anything too bad, so we can get this car fixed and back on the road. It is rat poop. I don't know how, I mean, they go from the bottom, I guess. I mean, obviously they can't go from the top, so they enter somewhere from the bottom area. And yeah, they go up there and they're just having a good little, the fiesta, as they call it, side here, nice and warm. No better place to do it, right? Under a hood than of a Rolls-Royce Wraith. They have class at least, they have good taste, that's for sure.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, man. Javier was birthday yesterday. He didn't say nothing. We don't break the cake. Happy birthday, bro. Oh, thank you. 54.
All right, you guys, we have Javier. Make it to break it, Salazar. Okay. Now, Javier is working on his 4x4 right now. We are making these lights on top work. You know, when the G-Wagon, when these 4x4s, when you pick them up, these lights are not, you know, they're not connected at all, so you can't even use them. So we customize this to make sure that the customer has access to the lights on top. So we're doing something really, really nice right now. We're doing all the connection, all the wiring. We're gonna put in a separate switch somewhere in the car, very nice. So anytime he wants to use it, he can use it. When he does not want to use it, turn it off. That's what Javier is doing right now. And he's, you know, Javier's done a few of these, so he should be okay. Get this car out of here today. Good job, Javi. I love this guy. You know, I've known this guy for 14 years, 15 years.
You bully him. He doesn't bully you.
Oh, he's f***ed up too, yeah. Sometimes he slaps me.
Never seen him do anything.
Yeah, he does like, hey. He's my,
Tires are so bad.
they are. They're bald as my head.
I know how to paint, I know how to align hoods. And
You know which one color is this?
it was verde.
Green.
No. Color name.
Verde Technica.
Avocado.
Technica.
Verde Technico.
Technico? No.
No? What was it called?
It's verde is right.
Aguacate.
No, verde is right. It's verde Itaca. Itaca.
Verde Taka.
You know taka?
It's like
Taka.
sound like
Like
Japanese, no?
Like,
Itaca.
no,
No,
discoteca.
taka. It's a $3 bar cold, vato. When you
No
don't
way.
have, when you don't have feria, hey, not really. When you don't have feria to buy tequila, we shot the whiskey,
taka.
and you need something to drink. Vámonos a la liquor y cómprate un poquito de taka y estás.
Luis, you are alcoholic. No, this is
No,
for
no cerveza.
no, this is for pupusas. Pupusas, tacos.
Pupusas, burritos y
tequila.
tacos en enchiladas.
No.
Pupusas, chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab, yeah. Pupusas, tacos, chicken kebab.
Guys, so RDB Autocare is still something we're doing on the side, and our website is active. We are shipping out products constantly. I know we don't advertise it that much. We ship out quite a bit of them every week. So here in my hand I have a spray wax. Unfortunately, we ran out of labels. So we decided to handwrite it, actually me, myself, and I signed it too. So yeah, don't mind that. It's a little scribbly, but gives it authenticity. This is a homegrown business that started from nothing. And it's in the heart of Los Angeles, actually the heart of Hollywood. We're really right under the Hollywood sign. So pretty cool to see this. This is like an old school RDB sticker. It's not something new we made. We made the sticker like 8 years ago maybe. So this is like a really vintage, cool little keepsake, I guess, for whoever it's going to. And you can use the bottle for other things later, like alcohol, but we don't condone that. So yeah, if you're ordering on RDB Autocare, you might get some handwritten signed ones with different stickers on them. You might get some special ones. So go on rdbautocare.com.